In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change your email address on Hubspot. This process is quick and easy, and within about 5 minutes you'll have a new email address linked to your Hubspot account. Let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and navigate over to the Hubspot homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar with the site, but our main focus is to locate the login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking login or out, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your Hubspot homepage. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, no pun intended, where you can manage all your operations and settings. The next step involves moving to the trial guide. You can find this option in the navigation menu. Clicking on Trial Guide will open up several options for different tools and configurations you might want to explore. It's a handy section for those looking to get more familiar with what HubSpot has to offer, but our goal here is to adjust our email settings. Now keep an eye out for the Settings button in your dashboard. Click on it and you're well on your way to making the necessary changes to your account details. In the settings area, you'll see various options, but for our purposes, we're focusing specifically on security. Go ahead and click on Security. Within the security settings, direct your attention to the email address section. You're going to click on email address to bring up the options for managing your contact information. Here you'll see your current email address along with an option to change it. Let's go ahead and click on edit email address. This step is crucial as it allows you to enter your new email address. Remember, this is the address you'll use for all future correspondence with HubSpot, so ensure it's active and correct. Once you've entered your new email, make sure to review it for any typos or errors. Double checking is always a good practice. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, save your changes. And there you have it, your HubSpot account now has a new email address linked to it. If you encounter any issues while following these steps, HubSpot support is always available to help out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide made the process simple and straightforward for you. See you next time.